this video, we will show you how to schedule a blog post in Squarespace website. First, we need to go to our website and click the website that you want to create schedule blog post in here. And to create a blog post in Squarespace website, you need to go to your page because a blog post is sub in the page navigation. Then click your blog in here, and you can see here there is my schedule blog post. And how to do that, we can just click at blog post in here. Then in here, to schedule a blog post, you can click the date in here. Just click and select options and select status and select schedule. For example, let's set yesterday that this post will appear on our blog post, and click save. You can see here yesterday this blog post will appear, so you can write in here. Just write, and if you want any section, you can just add any section. You can add anything here, okay? And after you are done, you can click publish. Then you are done for creating schedule blog post. Then click done. And you can see our blog post will be in tomorrow on the 6th in 16 AM. Okay, hope this video helpful for you.